we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one. Diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. Hold my breath, looking up. Life moves in waves, it keeps changing. Catch a glimpse of what was you and me. It's gone again. Sinking in, back on the shore. One foot in front of the other. Close my eyes and feel you hold my hand just like you used to back then. These hopes dance high like sparks before they go out. But in that second, you're still mine. Diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you. A sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. I know I'm floating on this dream, but soon comes morning. For now I'll embrace our wondrous sea. Diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. I'm diving in. Falling stars, lovely start. Swimming in this deep.
Oi, oi, meus amores, tudo bem com vocês? Espero que sim. Sejam bem-vindos a mais um vídeo aqui pro canal. E, gente, tava meio sumidinha esses dias, né, que eu tô com uma dor de dente. A mão da pessoa como tá, só terra. Tava com uma dorzinha de dente, né, aí tô tomando remédio pra ver se desinflama, pra poder arrancar ele. Aí tava meio sumidinha e também tinha gente aqui em casa meio que tem vergonha de estar gravando ainda. E como vocês viram, já comecei o vídeo trocando minha planta, olha. O vaso já tava muito pequeno pra ela, então eu acabei comprando esse outro que é maiorzinho. Aí tava trocando agora ela e umas outras plantas também minha que tava precisando aqui. Então, hoje, gente, como vocês viram, eu sujei tudo aqui na sala. Vou jogar uma água aqui também agora pra limpar, né, lavar. Vou gravar um pouquinho da minha rotina de hoje, né. Então, se você já gosta desse tipo de vídeo, não esqueça de estar dando seu like pra estar me ajudando. Se inscreve no meu canal se você ainda não for inscrito. E sem muitas delongas, embora pro vídeo.
Oh, where have I been? Stupid silence. You've been standing right there all along. Even though it's been unspoken so long. I'm only waiting for you, just waiting for you to give it enough. You know I'm begging for you, just waiting for you to show me your love. Cause I wanna be certain we don't have to be lonely, we don't have to be hurting. Cause I'm feeling like you and I are perfect. I don't wanna be sorry, I don't wanna think every night about how we've been so blind. So upset, I'm waiting till it's too late. No rest for lovers who are undetermined. I just wanna be certain, I don't wanna waste all our time wondering if we're right. I've been waiting for a sign, wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign, I don't want you going away. I've been waiting for a sign, wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. Don't you feel the same? You want it for us, even though you don't wanna say it. I've been saying it softly, with no words. You whisper with your eyes. I'm waiting for you, just waiting for you to give it enough. You know I'm begging for you, just waiting for you to show me your love, baby. Cause I wanna be certain we don't have to be lonely, we don't have to be hurting. Cause I'm feeling like you and I are perfect. I don't wanna be sorry, I don't wanna think every night about how we've been so blind. So upset, I've waited till it's too late. No rest for lovers who are undetermined. I just wanna be certain, I don't wanna waste all our time wondering if we're right. I've been waiting for a sign, wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign, I don't want you going away. I've been waiting for a sign, wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. Don't you feel the same? Don't you feel the same? Cause I wanna be certain we don't need to be lonely, we don't have to be hurting. Cause I'm feeling like you and I are perfect. I don't wanna be sorry, I don't wanna think every night about how we've been so blind. So say I'm waiting till it's too late. No rest for lovers who are undetermined. I just wanna be certain, I don't wanna waste all our time wondering if we're right. I've been waiting for a sign, wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign, I don't want you going away. I've been waiting for a sign, wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. Don't you feel the same? Don't you, yeah.
You show up thirsty, staring at me like I can do something for you. You lick your lips, you think you're slick. You stalk like I'm a piece of meat. You're trying out and showing off, so flashy, don't do jack for me. You're such a troll, out of control. I wish I could just hit delete.
you killing the mood? Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Stay out of my sight. Get out of my way. Didn't come here for you. Oh, you killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Out of my sight.
You just always been a tight rush that I've been laid back, yeah. I don't wanna skip steps, you know that. So if you're with it, then say yeah. I just need a little bit of patience. You need me, I know that you've been waiting. Down my number twice, promise I'll pick up the line. I see you worried, don't gotta ask why. You like it, I know that you like it. You like it, yeah, you like it. I know that you like it, you like it. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you. You said that you were down, hoping you'll stick around, hoping you'll be around for me. You said that you were down, you said that you were down, you said that you were down.
Bom, meus amores, vou finalizar o vídeo aqui. Olha, isso aqui foi a planta que eu mudei hoje do vaso. Tava muito pequeno aquele vaso, e esse aqui é bem maior que o outro. Tá parecendo pequeno porque a câmera tá pra longe. Senão não tem como eu gravar aqui a sala toda. Aqui tem umas comprinhas que chegou da Shopee hoje. Vou fazer um vídeo pra mostrar pra vocês. Tem uma outras comprinhas também pra mostrar. Ó, a cozinha tá assim. Cozinha, lavanderia, né? Tem uma roupa pra lavar lá. Ó. Pra cá também. Aqui tem duas crianças descansando. O banheiro fez só a manutenção mesmo. Que eu lavei ele, fez só a manutenção. Essa semana eu já lavei. Aqui no quarto também, só fiz manutenção. Passei um panozinho, varri. Nem troquei a coxa ainda. Vou trocar segunda-feira, eu acho. Então, meus amores, o vídeo foi esse. Espero que vocês tenham gostado. Não esqueça de se inscrever aqui, você que ainda não é inscrito no meu cantinho. E é isso, até o próximo vídeo. Tchau, beijo.